Carry out your best work with new features in Autodesk Product Design and Manufacturing Collection, including inventor and integrated tools like Nesting Utility, NASTRAN IN-CAD, HSM, and Factory Design Utilities, along with Fusion 360, AutoCAD, and Vault. Autodesk Inventor 2019 delivers user-requested enhancements and continues to provide the professional-grade 3D mechanical design and engineering tools you rely on. Enhanced model-based definition tools allow you to quickly annotate and tolerance your 3D models for production and manufacturing. 3D modeling tool updates for sheet metal faces and enhanced corner relief options, as well as a brand new hole command, make the creation and placement of holes faster, smarter, and more robust. New direct edit functionality and filleting options eliminate steps and streamline workflows. New iLogic tools make automating assembly processes in Inventor easier. Additionally, performance has been improved in parts, assemblies, and drawings, allowing you to get more done in less time. And sharing your design inside and outside your organization is easier than ever, with dynamic collaboration tools that allow you to explode, mark up, and track design changes. Only in the collection, you'll get the brand new Autodesk Nesting Utility True Shape Nesting software. Nesting Utility works right inside Inventor, providing an associative, in-canvas workflow for nesting flat parts within your available raw material. Nesting Utility automatically tracks sheet metal part materials and quantities for nesting. Automatic reporting provides efficiency insights for machining time and material costs. Custom packaging sizes allow you to match the material size to the equipment dimensions or the raw material you have on hand. Use nesting studies to automatically combine similar materials into separate nests based on their defined material types and thicknesses. Study options allow for mirroring, flipping, and rotating of nested components to increase the sheet efficiency and reduce wasted materials. And because Nesting Utility is associative, changes made to your 3D model are updated in the nest automatically. Nests can also be converted to a 3D model, so that 2D cutting paths can be created for plasma, water jet, and laser cutting machines. Finally, when you're ready to share the nest for manufacturing, a simple DXF can be created so that virtually any CAM software can be used for production. And using HSM CAM tools included in the collection, you can generate toolpaths to export posts for your machines. In the latest release of Autodesk HSM, adaptive clearing tools now allow you to reduce the amount of non-cutting motion by maintaining constant cutter engagement, moving both forward and backward directions. Only in the collection, access a fully integrated simulation solution that works inside Inventor with Autodesk NASTRAN IN-CAD. New iLogic integration with NASTRAN IN-CAD allows you to extend rules-driven design to simulation. This allows for automation of material creation, idealization, meshing, application of boundary conditions, solving and displaying of results. Stay ahead of the game with Autodesk Fusion 360. Using AnyCAD, you can bridge your Inventor and Fusion 360 data. Take advantage of cloud-based workflows and functionality, essentially future-proofing your engineering platform. New to the Autodesk Factory Design Utilities are enhancements to asset chain capabilities. Now you can manage your files outside of the cloud. Publish, edit, copy, and move asset chains in the Vault or locally. AutoCAD is now available like never before. Now get AutoCAD plus industry-specific toolkits for architectural, mechanical, and electrical design, and more. Finally, bring it all together with Autodesk Vault to manage your product data and engineering processes in a single central location. With a product design and manufacturing collection, run your entire product development process, center all your work around your Inventor data, and stay at the forefront of product development with access to the latest capabilities as soon as they're available.